everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of wavy hairstyles, haircuts, and hair colors. Wavy hair has a natural, effortless charm that adds a touch of elegance to any look. Whether you have naturally wavy hair or you're looking to create those beautiful waves, there's a style out there for everyone. From beachy waves to tousled curls, the options are endless when it comes to embracing your waves. When it comes to wavy haircuts, it's all about finding the right shape to enhance your waves. Layers are a great way to add movement and texture to wavy hair, while a blunt cut can give a more polished look. Long bobs, also known as lobs, are incredibly popular for wavy hair, offering versatility and style. And let's not forget about the timeless classic, the layered haircut. It's a versatile option that works well with wavy hair, adding dimension and depth. Now, let's talk about hair colors for wavy hair. From subtle highlights to bold balayage, there are endless possibilities to enhance your waves with color. Soft, natural tones like caramel and honey are perfect for adding warmth and dimension to wavy hair, while brighter shades like rose gold and platinum can make a statement. Whatever color you choose, make sure to consult with your stylist to find the perfect hue that complements your skin tone and brings out the best in your wavy locks. So, embrace your waves. Experiment with different styles, haircuts, and colors, and let your natural beauty shine through.